Okay, let's go ahead and do some filleting. Filleting. Default fillet is 0.5. Okay, so let's just do some filleting here. Okay, let's turn our command recall on. So we're going to go fillet. Just going to work our way around. Okay, looks like we lost that one line. Let's go ahead and draw a line in there. Turn our object snap to endpoint. Just put that back in there. Okay. So we got a basic shape here. And a lot of times in your curve geometry, always make sure that you merge them together as one curve, especially if you're going to do any like extruding geometry, or if you're going to use it as a containment region. It's always a good idea to merge those. So I'm just going to go to the top view. And actually, let's go to the front view maybe. Okay. So I'm just going to select all those. Sorry. And I'm just going to do a merge. Okay. So you'll see that I have one continuous curve.